My dear students, good morning to you all. Hope all of you are fine and in good health. I miss you very much, my dear students. Hope you too are missing my science classes. Let Corona not stop our education. So let us learn to start our video classes of 7th Standard Science now. Are you ready? Okay, yes, let's start our 7th Standard Science classes. Now, dear students, think which are the basic needs of man? Human beings cannot live without food, water, and air. So, these are the basic needs of human beings. We cannot live without food, without water, and without air. So, think again, which foods do we consume? Just recall the food you eat daily at your home. Some pictures of foods are given here. Do we eat all these food items? Definitely yes. We eat fruits, vegetables, milk, pulses, grains, egg, fish, meat, etc. In your previous classes, you have heard about nutrients. So, what are nutrients? These are the components of our food, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Why do we need food? We get energy from our food. All of us know that we get energy from our food. So, the carbohydrates present in our food give us this energy. This energy helps us to do our daily activities like walking, running, talking, thinking, etc. Our body utilizes this energy for the life processes taking place in our body. Life processes means digestion, respiration, etc. Food also protects our body from diseases by increasing the immunity of our body. Especially fruits, vegetables, and especially green vegetables contain vitamins and minerals. These increase the immunity of our body. That's why nowadays we drink kashaya etc. to protect us from corona, isn't it, children? And food also helps in the growth and the repair of damaged parts of our body. The nutrients, which are the nutrients? The proteins help in the growth and the repair of the damaged part of our body. Do all living beings need energy? Living beings means unicellular organisms like amoeba, euglena, paramecium, small insects, birds, big animals, plants, human beings, etc. Yes, all of us require energy. All living beings require energy. They get energy from food. We know that. This process is called nutrition. So there is a term called nutrition which is new to you. So now in 7th standard chapter 1, let us learn in detail about nutrition in plants. So the name of the lesson is nutrition in plants. So what is the definition of nutrition? See children, it's very important. You have to understand it clearly and remember. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. So let me read it again. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. What is the mode of taking food by us? We bring vegetables, fruits, etc., fish, egg, etc. from the market. We cook it, we heat it, we boil it, and then we consume. Isn't it? Then the body produces energy. So this process is called nutrition. You have to write and keep this definition and learn it. So next we have to think, do all living beings require nutrition? Yes, all living beings need nutrition. Then what is the difference between nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals? Is there any difference between nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals? Nutrition means mode of taking food. You have seen the plants around you, you have seen the animals around you, and you are also an animal, I am also an animal. So, is there any difference? Yes. The difference is plants make, or we can say plant prepare, or we can say plants synthesize food themselves. Animals cannot synthesize food. We eat plants and other animals. So plants make, prepare or synthesize. That means food is synthesized in the body of the plants. Whereas in our body, food is not synthesized. That's why we have to cook and we have to consume food. We have to eat food. The plants do not eat food. Food is automatically, chemically synthesized in the plants. This is the difference in the nutrition of plants and animals. Plants make food themselves. So there is this different, unique name given to them. Autotrophs, beautiful name, autotrophs. So plants are autotrophs because they make food themselves. What about animals? Animals and most other organisms eat plants and other animals. They take in food prepared by plants. These are called heterotrophs. So we are heterotrophs. We eat plants and other animals. Those other animals in turn again eat plant products itself. So we can say all animals take in food prepared by plants. So they are called heterotrophs. So heterotrophs depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. All herbivores, carnivores and omnivores are heterotrophs. We know herbivores eat plants directly. Herbivores like cow, goat, then giraffe, rabbit eat plants directly. They are herbivores. Carnivores means lion, tiger, cheetah. They eat other small animals. And omnivores, we are omnivores. Our dog, our cat, crow, these are all omnivores. We eat plant products also, animal products also. So we are all heterotrophs. So the nutrition of autotrophs is called autotrophic nutrition. There is a beautiful definition for that. Definitely have to learn this definition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food for themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. I repeat, the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food for themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Just now we have learnt that plants are autotrophs. So plants make food for themselves from simple substances. Which are those simple substances? You have learnt in your previous classes. Just recall the simple substances and tell me. Now what is heterotrophic nutrition? Nutrition of heterotrophs. The definition goes like this. The mode of nutrition in which animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. So this is heterotrophic nutrition. Mode of nutrition in which animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. What type of food do the plants prepare? Just now we studied plants are autotrophs. They prepare their own food. They make food for themselves. So what type of food the plants prepare? Is their food as same as the food prepared by us? Now you may get one confusion at your home, in the kitchen, your father or mother or grandmother cook food for you. So are they autotrophs? No, they cook food. They do not synthesize food. They cook food using the products obtained from plants. So autotrophs means only green plants. So is the food prepared by green plants as same as the food prepared by us? No. Plants make their food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. This is also not a new word to you. You have heard of it in 6th standard. I have taught you. I remember it, isn't it? So photosynthesis means plants make their food using these 4 important substances which are available in the nature, in their surroundings, which are those: sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. So here food means starch. So you see in this picture there is a green plant. It is happy. Look there, it is happy. Why? It is getting enough sunlight and it is preparing its food. So what process is going on here? Photosynthesis is going on in this picture. So plants prepare food in the form of glucose, which gets converted into complex molecules called starch and stores in the leaves and other parts of the plant. So food prepared by plants is in the form of glucose. Glucose means simple sugar. So these simple sugar molecules combine together to form complex molecules called starch. So the food prepared by the plants is stored in the different parts of the plants and we use it as our food. So dear children, today we learned meaning of nutrition, 2 types of nutritions, autotrophs and heterotrophs, and meaning of photosynthesis. I think it's enough for today. So I want to give you one small homework. Read the first page of this lesson in your textbook. Write and learn the definition of nutrition. The third question is, what are autotrophs and heterotrophs? Fourth one, list the difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So please do this homework and be ready for the next class. Thank you, dear children.